All right, folks, good morning. All right, let's get started. Obviously, we just got back from the holiday weekend. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd. We have the following economic data. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern, we'll have final manufacturing PMI. Not expected to have any significant market impact. At 10 a.m., we're going to have ISM manufacturing PMI, which is expected to have a strong impact, and ISM manufacturing prices, which is expected to have a moderate impact, and also construction spending month over month, which is expected to have a light impact or no impact at all. Throughout the day, at some point today, I should say, we'll have our RCM TIPP economic optimism. Not a major report, so no expectation of significant market impact from that. So basically, everything should be concentrated at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. Eastern, and then we'll go from there. All right, having said that, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. So firstly, obviously we've had a long weekend and we were not trading yesterday. As it stands right now, the NASDAQ in the pre-market, the QQQ ETF, is trading lower than where it closed on Friday. Friday's action was mixed, some up, some down, very volatile. So let's take a look, and this number here, this was the closing price from our opening price from the previous month, no longer of any importance since we're in a new month. So I'm going to delete that. This freeze up on me? Yeah, it did. There we go. There we go. All right. So let's take a look at which stocks were moving on Friday. We have a few. One of them was Amazon, which was eventually able to reach target number 2 to the upside of 176.82. It topped out at 178.90, so there were some chances to do that throughout the day. Let's see. Oh, no, that wasn't one. PayPal was bearish, and it was able to reach past target number 1 to the downside of 72.58. Traded down to a low of 71.76, which was not all the way down to target number 2 to the downside, but fairly close. And that was pretty much it. We did have one other stock, but it didn't really trade well, so I'll skip that one. So looking at the pre-market, let's see what we got. I have a few stocks that have showed up on the radar. One of them is MSGM. Currently, it's up 34% on over 7.4 million shares and is trading above $1 per share. We'll go ahead and add that one to our pre-market watch list for stocks. Again, the symbol is MSGM. Next up, we have, now this won't qualify, but NVIDIA is down pre-market. It's down 2.3%. Not down enough to qualify, but just noting the fact that it's down pre-market. Next up, we have SMFL, which is currently up 10% on over 1.6 million shares and is trading at $1 per share or higher. We'll go ahead and add that to pre-market watch list. And then that's all I see. Now we could add NVDL, to our watch list if we want it. That's the actually no, it hasn't even moved enough. Yeah, they haven't moved enough either. The ETFs, bullish ETFs, they haven't moved enough either for NVIDIA. So never mind. All right. So if you folks see any other stocks that meet our 4 criteria, let me know in the chat. We're looking for a NASDAQ listed stock that is trading at least $1 per share in this current pre-market session. The stock must also have achieved at least a 6% price change, which can be positive or negative, and it must have achieved at least 1 million shares of pre-market volume. So if you see any stocks other than the ones we already mentioned that meet all four criteria, let me know in the chat. We only have two so far, MSGM and SMFL. All right, well, looks like that's it. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for this morning's pre-market pulse. As always, please be sure to like the video. See, we have 10 likes from more than 10 people watching, so please be sure to hit that like button on YouTube. It greatly helps us with the algorithm and also helps us to continue to gain subscribers. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you get notifications for new videos that we produce. If anyone is watching this video on a replay, if you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com, our website. You'll see a link in the description of this video. Other than that, for everybody else, I'll see you in the coaching room if you're part of the coaching program in about 26 minutes. We'll pick up for today's session. All right, folks, have a great trading day, and I'll see you for tomorrow's pre-market pulse. Take care.